What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Timikemza James. So today we are going to be making a patch pocket, but it's going to be a designer patch pocket. So I have this strip of fabric here that I'm going to be using to be designing the edge of the fabric. So this pocket is going to go on a shift dress from the previous video. I'm going to be linking the video below, so you can also go there to learn how to cut a shift dress. Then I'm going to be having another video where we'll learn how to sew um that shift dress. So this one is basically like the part 2 of the previous video, then the part 3 will be coming in due time. So let's get into the video. So for this video I have two pieces from of the pockets like this, so I'm going to keep one aside. So I'm going to be doing like a technology of like lining a fabric or something, but I'm using the same piece of fabric. You can just do one and finish off the edge nicely, or you can just iron the edge round. But just because I'm going to be designing the pocket, that's why I'm having two pieces. So I have this piece here. I've just gone ahead to hem and finish off the hem of one of the sides of the piece neatly. So I'm just going to go ahead and start designing. So I'll pick one piece like this, and I'll bring this piece from my, then the raw edge that is left out is what I'm going to be sewing on the pocket side. So as I'm sewing, I'm going to be pleating. So there's this method of pleating fabric that they use a fork, an eating fork. So that's what I'm going to be using. So just watch carefully what I'm doing here. I'll be using one teeth of the fork. I'll put it in between, put the fabric in between the teeth like this. Then I'll roll the fork over like this. Then I'll sew I'll just sew down that side like that. Then the same thing, I'll still pick and roll it over just to start where the other pleats ended. That's what I'm just going to be doing all round. Let me do that again. So it's going to give us even pleats, plus the pleat will be really cute. So what's not to love? I just love using this method whenever I'm pleating because of the evenness of the pleats and how cute it is. So you just pick the fabric the same way you pick your spaghetti from a plate. So you now roll it over to the right side of the fork also. Then you sew, and you can see it's very fast. Doesn't take too much time, no time wastage, no stress. So this is like a bonus trick. If you know me on my channel, if you're an old subscriber, you know I usually give bonus tips every now and then. So this is a bonus tip for making pleats. I'm just going to be quiet now and just do it so I can, so as not to waste more time. You can be doing it faster than this. It's just for the sake of this video, that's why I'm taking this paste. When I get to this edge, I'll just drop my fork then I'll just cut out the remaining one. So just look at that, look at the pleats from that frog. This is like really pretty. It's a very nice thing to do. Usually it always turns out nicely. So you see, I'm going to be doing a video on this specially, but just enjoy. This is just a tip for people who are watching this. So I'm just going to flip that back the way it was so that I can add this piece here. So this is what I'm going to, I will be finishing off this, the side that is open, that's the opening of the pocket. I'm just going to go ahead and sew this down, the opening side of the pocket. Just going to be using 3/4 of an inch sewing allowance. You can use any sewing allowance of your choice. So now I'm going to top stitch on this side. Go ahead and top stitch. So guys, this pocket is supposed to lie on the front piece of the dress. So I'm just going to determine where the pocket is supposed to be. So I want it somewhere here on this part of the dress. Then this is what I'm going to be doing. I'll just grab a pin and I'll pin it down. The good thing about fixing this pocket is there is no exact place it should be. Just make sure that it's standing straight. That's just it. So I'm just going to pin it down at the midpoint, just to have it lay down properly. Then I've gone ahead to put the pleats to lie down. If you have a zigzag machine, that's the tabletop kind, or any zigzag machine, you can use it for this. It works just fine to also make it look like there's a design there. Your pin. So this is it. You can see we have our pocket here and it's lovely. So as you can see guys, we are done with our pocket. You see, this pocket should be able to fit your phone, your money and whatever. So this is so pretty. See, just look at it. It's beautiful. And so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends. You can recommend the channel to people and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we have a new video up on the channel. Until we meet in our next video, see you guys. Bye.